Hi.
Today is Thursday.
Yes, 18 January.
Yes, correct. And we just left the hotel on our way to places.
What places are you talking about?
Well, places, leisure places.
And where are we now? Let's pan
We
and
are
take a
now
look.
at this place called Cepheusrock.
秋红菊，来，我们两个来秋红一番。
Very
Hello，
lovely
来
park.
秋红一番
Very lovely park.
，Lovely Park.
And look at all the red colored.
Yes, and you're talking about lovely. There's a big heart there.
Hey, you must look.
国刚可以
Can you please take a
Can it?
shot of the
Wow, on the
red
秋红菊，
yeah.
好美。
Beautiful plants, right? Beautiful.
很美。Well, this is the 18 Jan, so this is our third day. Am I right? We left Singapore on the 16th. 18 January, this is our third day. Very nice.
We're going this direction. 300 to 309. My goodness. So many buses we can take.
Hello, good morning. Today is Friday, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th of January, and we are leaving the hotel.
Leaving the Lin Hotel.
Yes, the Lin Hotel.
Taichung.
Lin Qiudian, Lin Hotel and Banquet. And this is in Taichung. We are taking the glass lift, coming down. And my goodness, this stench is
Yes.
not so welcoming. Why should there be a stench?
Sometimes.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Lam.
Yes.
Say something very nice. Wow, now it's in.
It's a beautiful.
Wow,
day.
some wonderful colors.
And we are going to Sun Moon.
Sun Moon Lake, 日月潭. 2 evenings, right?
Yes.
Very good. There we are. Thank you. Nice hotel. Okay, here's now. Bye bye.